How to use credits on cnfans. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to use credits on cnfans. So first, just open up your cnfans application and make sure you have logged into account so that you will be able to visit your credits. So here under my account section over here, you can see there is a credit option. So just tap on this, and to redeem a product code, first you have to head over to this website called Fans. So as you can see, it is currently temporarily disabled due to the maintenance work going on for this website. So here you should be getting the credits for that particular product, whichever you want to buy, and just come back to your cnfans application and just click on this redeem products just like this, and just enter the code which you just copied from that particular product from that website, and just click on done, and you should be able to successfully use that credit on cnfans application. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.